Hello everybody, Bill Harrison again from Hardened Power Systems, trying to do a 90-second super fast intro video to the Pilot G2. This is, believe it or not, 33 amp hours of LiFePo4 battery bank. Most of the internals here is a battery, and this fits inside a 30 caliber ammunition can. It is a DC only device. You've got a gang of Andersons for 12 volt DC power. You have a pair of 3 amp USB drivers, thermal 30 amp circuit breaker, master on off switch, an intelligent power usage meter that'll keep track of power leaving the device, charging port input. This is a solar ready system that will handle up to a 60 watt panel. It also comes with a global AC wall charger. Again, fits inside a 30 caliber can and is a crazy amount of stored energy at 33 amp hours, and it weighs less than 10 pounds. So, come to portableuniversalpower.com, check out the new Pilot G2, and just in case somebody objects to the acrylic appearance of that machine, we're actually making a version made from solid cherry hardwood. Anyway, come to portableuniversalpower.com. We'd love to see you there. Thank you.